Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon.
Hey guys, I'm a hacker here and welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to access the Torrentz2.eu and this site is having a problem. I'll show you and I'll show how to resolve that. Okay, just head over to the Google Chrome or Google, just type Torrentz2.eu. It's loaded. Just refresh that. It's not loading. You can see that the Torrentz2.eu is not working. Click the three dot and more tools and head over to the extensions. Scroll down and here we have get more extension, and you're in the Chrome web store and type browse and enter. Here we have a result. Just click add to Chrome and it is added to Chrome. Just close and here we have the browser and turn it on, and you can change the IP address or location. Okay, I'm just refreshing this. Here we have the Torrentz2, but the problem is that I'm just searching for Malayalam movies 2017, and here I have the result. Just open it in a new tab. So guys, here we have the result, but don't know where to click to download this thing. It's showing nothing. Okay, just copy the hash. Okay, let me check whether the hash is full. Just click inspect and edit as HTML. Okay, here we have the hash. Copy, just copy this hash and head over to Google and type hash to torrent or magnet, hash to magnet, and here we have the romana.info. Oh man, what the fuck is that? Just paste and generate. Here we have the magnet link. Click the magnet link. Allow access. This firewall I have added. Just wait few seconds. It's connecting. You can see that the movie is downloading. Just stopping. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Keep watching my videos and please subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button, like this video, share this.
Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon.